back to Mario and Luigi Superstar Saga. In the last episode, we started our ascension to Hulu Mountain. In this episode, we are going to finish our extending. This guy is Rex. He has 16 HP. Mario levels up again. Let's take a breather on power. Let's go broke once again. Okay, that's better than last time.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Go. Go.
It's that new. Okay. That's a good thing now. Oh, I'll read them back for later.
Let's go.
is the last one. Oh, it only took us 6 minutes to climb this the rest of the way up. This might be a short one, y'all. Fools! What are you kicking that for? That's a really rare stone. It's called the Hoover Block. I'll tell you, anyone who tries the Hoover Block in the thief in my book. I don't mean to do this, but I forgot to heal. That'll be the only time you ever see me do that. Now let's continue reading. My name. Oh, I am called Blabadon. Was that? The townsfolk all worried about me? Really? I didn't mean to make them worried. See, what happened is this. I saw Prince Paisley and followed him up here. Now I saw that huge egg appeared. I was shocked. I was speechless, which is rare. So anyways, I just been keeping this poor egg warm ever since. Yep, that's the deal. I think something will hatch out of it pretty soon. That's what happens with eggs. Oh, it's here. It's time. Wow, it's about to hatch. That's a shock. Talk about one crazy egg. Bye-bye, buddy. This is Jug-ho-ho. Jug-ho-ho-ho. Oh. Jug-ho-ho-ho. Jug-ho-ho. Whatever. Jug-ho-ho. That's just what I'm gonna call him. He has 90 HP. This time. Gotta be. Alright, let's get HP. Here's your mustaches. This is incredibly dazzling man is none other than Prince Paisley. What happened to you? Well, I suppose you could call it a bit of an accident. As I was investigating events throughout this country for a top secret mission I'm on, I suddenly encountered Calcutta and a vile underling, Fawful, here on this mountain. By the time I realized who the fiends were, it was too late. They transformed me into that and trapped me inside that egg. That's how Prince Peach's voice has been stolen. I wasn't worried about Princess Peach. I'm quite sure she'll be fine. Anyway, we should chase after Calcutta. I want you to visit Queen Bean and Bean Bean Castle once you come down the mountain. It may be that Calcutta's next target in Bean Bean Castle I bet my life on. And here's a gift from me. Autographed, of course. Yes, I think a rose matches your green perfectly. Sure that rose is Bean Bean Castle that permits you to enter. And with that, I must get back to my mission. May we meet again. We're going to climb down, at least. Oh, no, we need hammers. Dummy. I don't know why I saved. Oh boy, did you two arrive at exactly just the right time. Just now, Hoo block fell down from the waterfall. Check it out. We use it to make these ultimate hammers. Oh man, it was so great to be making hammers again after such a long break. It's so darn great that we went ahead and made you guys 2 hammers. Look at the craftsmanship. Power. Now you're playing with power. You got that right. These boys are now all yours. You got hammers. You can use solo hammer action. I guess we'll have to teach you guys how to properly use hammers. First, press the R button to select your hammer. Press the A button to wax stuff. That's it. But right now, the only guy in front can use a hammer. So action the guy in front does is A button. It's called solo action. Action that guy does with the B button is called a pose action. This is the most basic of all basics. Remember it. Try to whacking all kinds of stuff for those hammers. One manly whack will break the hardest of rocks. You know you ought to break that hammer. You ought to break in that hammer by smashing the rock in the next room. Oh, nuts. Everybody loves nuts. Alright, let's go make our way down towards Castle Town, I guess. This is what happens. Yep. Mario gets mad. That's so rich. How many coins I got? 300. Almost 400. Sir. Mushroom. Sir. Oh, that porridge. It's been a Goomba's age since we had any strangers in these parts. Now listen, fellas. If you want to ride in them rusty old carts, I won't go stopping you. But I'd advise watching out for trouble. Yep. No one knows where them railroads lead. Yeah, I'll tell you something. You might just be able to find yours by jumping a bit in there. And while you're hopping through it, watch out. If you spot danger, just shine your light at it. Oh, mercy. There I go again. Always boring folks with to tears with stuff like this. So I'm telling you, boys. Care to ride in the carts? I think it's 10 gems that I've acquired. Well, howdy again. Well, fellas, this spot marks the last stop on the long, strange railroad of my life. But I reckon the adventure has just begun. Get to it, boys. Wait up. I forgot to mention one thing. We never taught you how to use your hammers in battle. Ready to learn? Ouch, just found pretty polite. Ready to learn? I guess. We'll just explain it in battle. So, to whack with a hammer, Mario uses the A button and Luigi uses the B button. Hey, somebody actually knows Luigi's name. Don't do it justice, so let me explain by example. First, let's do some solo action attacks using the hammer. That ain't right. Ready, set. Press the A button right here. Oh man, that smarts. But I'm a hammerhead pro, so I'll be fine. No big deal. Press the button when the hammer shakes. When it shakes, you got it. And green guy. I was just complimenting you, man. This should be the B button when the hammer shakes. So next week I'll learn how to defend yourself with the hammer. Now, press and hold the B. When you release the button now. No, that's too long. Now release the button before the hammer starts to shake or the whole deal falls apart. Yeah, outside leave a mark. So anyways, you get the idea. Wanna try it again? No. Okay, so to review. For hammer attacks, choose hammer and wait till it shakes, then press the button. Bonk, perfect hammer attack. On defense, hold it before you release. On defense, hold it behind you and release before it shakes. Bonk, perfect hammer defense. Good luck, practice up. Did you get all that? You better have. You better look alive with those things. There are a lot of monsters that your jump won't do dilly do to. You gotta learn some new tricks if you want to get by them. I'm sure you guys will be able to take care of business. If you can't, you're gonna have to give those hammers back. Hey, we're going back so we can ride the cart again. That cart ride's thrilling and full. Yeah, cart ride's thrilling and filled with suspenders. The nitwit is filled with suspense. Suspense. Oops, well, excuse me, princess. Anything up here? What noting? Oh, almost missed that one. Yeah, 400 points. Alright, we can't do anything with this quite yet. Let's make our way down. Yeah. No, get away from me. That, guys, do not give EXP points. I take it back, they give like 4 total. So it's not worth fighting anybody in this area. They don't give you jack. Wow! Man, what happened here? Alright, we're going up here and save. That is going to conclude this episode of Mario and Luigi Superstar Saga. In the next episode, we might be able to take on all of the next area in the next episode. I know this game's going by fast so far. I mean, granted, this is only the 3rd actual area. out of many. I would like 11, like 9 or 11, something, whatever. But thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. And